Did you know there are free apps out there that feel way too good to be true, but they're 100% legal? Today, I'll show you 5 of the best ones that you can start using right now. Number 1. ZLibrary Mobile App. It gives you access to millions of books, research papers, and study material for free. It feels illegal because of the huge collection, but it's completely safe to use. Number 2. Deezer or Spotify Alternatives. With these apps, you can stream unlimited music without paying a dime. No subscriptions, no ads. It feels almost like cheating, but it's totally legit. Number 3. Photopea. Think of it as Photoshop in your browser. You can edit photos, remove backgrounds, and even work with PSD files without spending hundreds of dollars. Number 4. Archive.org. This is basically the internet's time machine. You can watch old movies, listen to rare music, or even read out-of-print books that you won't find anywhere else. And yes, it's completely legal. And finally, number 5, Canva Free. From making posters to presentations, even resumes and social media content, it gives you pro-level designs without paying for expensive software. So there you go, 5 free apps that feel almost illegal because of how much value they give, but they're 100% safe and legal to use. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden gems like this. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.